You know what I'm saying? Okay,
right.
we got those get out of the way joints.
Those are the get out of the way joints. Now, I was in Philly, as we've seen on here a few times. Tiff has gone into the Samba world.
Yeah.
She's starting a collection over there. And by doing so, I had to pick these up for her. Now, these aren't actually Sambas. They are the Spezial joints, but this color.
Y'all go reference some of the very, very early Whiskey and Kicks unboxing, and I'll tell you a couple things about Spezial.
Yes, yeah. Because there's the infamous ones.
Yes. With the pegs in them.
That we won't mention
come
today.
On. Y'all don't even want to talk about those. These, look at it's extra comfort in these.
Yeah.
It's extra cushioning in these.
Absolutely.
Yo, the colorway on this is nuts. It's like a plum.
Yeah, at first I thought it was a chocolate, but it's like two different shades of burgundy.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Burgundy, I guess.
Cause the
nice suede shits. These shits is fucking nasty.
Yeah.
She hasn't worn them yet.
Nah, not yet.
Nasty,
not yet.
So you got you have a lot of the same characteristics as the Sambas and whatnot. The way these look, it is this so the soles.
The heel is thicker on
the heel is thicker, and it goes down. It goes down and thinner in the front. But it has the triangles. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
It's the same, like some of the characteristics. It has these holes in the front right there. I guess that's just design.
Yeah.
And what color do we want to call that?
I don't know.
What I'm saying? It's like a brownish.
Yeah. It's like a brown gum.
Yeah, it's a brown gummy
like
situation.
A dark taupe.
Dark taupe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which I'm sure has its own name.
I'm sure. And then the upper is this beautiful suede.
Yeah.
I guess we go with a burgundy. We want to call it that, whatnot. These are nice, man.
Is this more like a Bordeaux color, and then that would be burgundy inside?
It could, yeah. I don't think those two shades are the same thing. Yeah. I mean, I really want to say plum because it really has a purple going on with it. But these are going to appear either purple or, like you said, chocolate, depending on the lighting. I think. You know what I'm saying? When you rock these out. And then you got this blue. Again, it's like the Adidas blue. Adidas blue?
We'll go with that.
Let's go to Adidas blue on these. On the stripes, on the tongue. Let's say handball or handball Spezial. These are made for handball.
Yeah.
Adidas been real quiet.
Yeah.
The blue on the back tab, blue stripes, blue on the tongue. In a gold flake type of Spezial with the Adidas logo on the side. It's a beautiful sneaker.
Yeah.
These are tough, yo.
Yeah.
I like these a lot. These are also women's?
Yeah, these are women's. These are
man, it's so much cushion on the inside. If you think about handball, oh come on, you can walk by.
Was that purple? What is that, maroon?
Right, that's what we was just talking about. Maroon, purple, plum.
Chocolate.
He said chocolate as well. When you think about handball, you're thinking about concrete.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You want some cushioning, whatever, so I get what they did there.
And that's the even though they look a lot like the Sambas, the sole to Sambas are really thin.
They're thin, man.
All across. But these joints have, not only is it a thicker heel, but it's also there's also a lot of cushioning and like you said on the inside.
A whole lot.
On the insole.
Yeah.
So
Sambas are they are like I know these are not Sambas, but how do I say this? They are the new chick sneaker. Not new, but they are the chick sneaker. Like the women's Sambas are synonymous to women at this point.
Absolutely.
Like, this is like
the white and black ones are like they are just
Yeah.
You
know what I'm saying?
It's like you gotta have the white and black Sambas to women are like white on white Air Force Ones to dudes. It's like it's mandatory.
To be honest, it's like the white on white Air Force Ones for white girls. Because white girls killed white
and the white girls, to be honest, are the ones who brought the Sambas back to the world. Yeah.
But
once you get a hold of them and they started coming with the colorways.
We're gonna show y'all how to really do this.
Now it's time.
Because they're not gonna go out and copy these. I mean, it's not Sambas.
And they are coming out. I gotta give Adidas a lot of credit. They are coming out with crazy colorways. They are not dropping the ball on these puppies.
On the Spezial?
And the Sambas.
Yeah.
They're just flooding the market. And women are killing.
The thing about Adidas, and especially when it comes to Spezial joints, they had overseas, there's so many sneakers overseas, and you can get access to them. You can find them online. There's places that you can buy them. Overseas got a whole other plethora of colorways when it comes to these shits.
Yeah, when we were in Mexico last summer, there were colors that I hadn't even seen.
They don't come
that are now just coming out here.
Yeah,
but
right.
I mean, technically, it's a soccer sneaker. You know what I mean?
And some of them don't hit the U.S. market. They're not on the website, and you're not gonna find them in any stores. You're only gonna see them shits online in some obscure place in like Japan and of course Europe.
Yeah,
you know what I mean, so
man.
These shits tough. I love the colorway on these.
Yeah,
that blue. That blue is nasty. That's nice.
Yeah, man. So lastly,